Hello, welcome back to lesson number 2 in module 2. So here we're going to talk about the fabric prints. So what to look after. Fabric prints can be made up of solid prints, mini prints, fabrics with very small prints, fabric with dots, or airy fabric. You can also have large scale prints, stripe prints, directional prints, geometrical prints, or tone-on-tone prints. Usually a fabric collection will be made up of all these different prints because the more variety, the better for your blocks. Now, the size of the print is to be taken into consideration when using templates to cut fabric pieces. Why? Because when using a small size template, a large scale print, won't be adequate. The print won't appear properly. For example, here, if I were to use this small print, this print here, and then use a very small template, this, first of all, as you can see, we don't see the butterfly. We don't see it's a butterfly. But then also take into consideration that in this little piece, what's the main color of that piece? Is it beige? Is it green? We don't really know. So it's not working that good. When you're using small templates, I would recommend really specific prints, such as simple prints, mini prints, airy fabrics, or tone-on-tone fabrics. So, large size templates are the best for all types of fabrics. Here we see the butterfly, and we will note that our main color is more of the beige coming out than the green. And here we can use whatever prints with large scale templates. They're really practical. So the exercise that I found for you to do with all these little prints are little cards, labels that I've prepared. These are my designs that I've made and that you can play with. The purpose of this is that you just cut them out. You just take them and then you just cut them out like this. So all the sheets, what I recommend is just print them on heavyweight paper, and then you can play. They're like little cards, and then you're going to use them to do the exercise. The exercise is that you have a whole bunch of prints, and it's seeing how would you, if you were to have buy a bundle of fabric, then how would you associate each prints together to make, if you were to do 2 projects or 3 projects. You'll see on the PDF, it will tell you exactly what to do. And then I have a suggested solution that I've prepared for you to have a look of how I would have associated all these prints together. So the bonus that I have for you is extra labels that I've prepared. Same thing, these are my designs, they're my fabric designs. And so I've prepared 54 other labels that you can play with to cut out and exercise yourself as associating the prints together. There are no PDFs here with a suggested solution. It's just extra labels that you can play with if you wish. So in module 3, which will be the blocks, we will see the steps to building specifically our blocks. And I'll see you there. Bye.